Here we're at the Adamson estate in Port Credit, Mississauga. It's a beautiful day, but it is cold. It's about -11 out here. We're going to play with our new toy today. We're going to go some duck hunting. We're going to shoot some ducks. Our new toy is a GoPro Hero 7 Black, and we're just going to check it out and see what it looks like.
Testing out to see how it does in the cold too. We're going to be bringing it to the Bahamas where it'll be hot, but we're going to see how it fares in the cold as well.
So check this out.
Don't you know it drives me mad?
I'm getting you getting the swan.
Dad's talking to the birds. Apparently there's a fight going on.
They really are the clowns of the duck world, aren't they?
They are.
Footing here is absolutely treacherous. It's really icy. Taking our lives in our hands here. Okay, well, I'm not sure where she's taking me here. I'm going deep into the garbage, and it is really icy underfoot. See where we're coming out. So this is at the bottom of a creek. Can't remember the name of the creek. And I think we're heading down this way. And Ashling is over there. So I'm gonna make my way over, take my Risk my neck on this ice. Let's see what we can find over here. Hey Ash,
Hi!
what do you have in your hand?
I found some seeds and I'm holding out for the chickadees. I hope we find the chickadees. I don't have very many, but I think maybe that would be enough to entice a hungry chickadee.
Well, we're not having much luck today.
Chickadee-dee-dee-dee.
Don't you know it drives me mad? Can you hardly stand it? No. Well, I'm not so done. Your time has run. Don't even try. I'm not buying into lies.
Well, we didn't see a lot of ducks, did we?
We didn't.
We saw a lot of ducks, but we didn't see a lot of special ducks.
No, we didn't see any ducks up close. They're
No.
all far away ducks.
Yeah, the
Distant ducks.
greater scops were shy, and no buffleheads at all. I heard those old squaws, but I couldn't actually see them. They were far out. So, not too many ducks.
No, not too many ducks. Lots of swans.
A few skaters.
Yeah, a few skaters.
Taking a chance on that ice. I'm not sure how safe that ice is.
Not very safe at all.
Okay.
I'm not recommending. We did see a guy and his dog sliding along the ice. The dog was kind of pulling him. It was so funny.
Proving that 4 legs are better than 2.
Yep, always. Had a few falls ourselves.
We won't talk about that.
No, we won't talk about that. It's icy, folks. It's icy. Be careful out there.
So we're losing that nice light. I think we might have a little bit left to come once we get through those clouds. And I'll take a look at the Adamson estate.
And pray for me that I'll find a chickadee that wants to eat out of my hand.
Oh, we never got a chickadee.
Not one.
Not one. The problem is the chickadees around here are just too well fed.
They are. The fat chickadees, they don't need you.
No.
No. No, they're going to take their McDonald's instead. No nuts.
So here it is. This is the Adamson's estate. It was built in around 1920. It's actually a private school now. These gables, they're known as Flemish gables. They remind me a lot of Cape Malay style, which you used to see in the Cape area in South Africa. And this is known as a folly. It serves absolutely no purpose whatsoever. We've never quite figured out what this is for.
I think it was a water feature at one point.
It looks like it might have been a water feature, but there's no obvious place for the water to go or to come from.
Yeah, it's weird.
And there's no catchment, there's no basin underneath to catch water, so I don't really understand how it was supposed to work.
Maybe there was at one point.
There you go, it's just missing its statue. Probably had a little guy pissing there once.
Don't you say it's not easy. The way you keep teasing me. Don't you know it drives me mad? Can't hardly stand it. No, when I'm so done, your time has run. Don't even try. I'm not buying into lies.